Mm, Good afternoon, student. I have discussed in previous lecture at question number 7. Now, question number 9. Start question number 9, student. Let R be the relation on set R in bracket set of real numbers defined by R is equal to in curly bracket A B such that A comma B is belonging in R. A square plus B square is equal to 1, so that R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Dear student, first of all, according to condition of question, you be find R is relation of R, set of real number. Means R is relation of real number. R is relation of real number. R is equal to AB such that A comma B belonging in R, A square plus B square is equal to 1. First of all, check reflexive relation. Let AA belonging in R. It means AA in relation, A related to A, but not satisfied condition of A square plus B square is equal to 1. Dear student, if you check in any relation, reflexive, symmetric and transitive, no condition are given in question, so then only check to satisfy the relation A to A. It means both ordered pair are same, A to B, B to A, and now transitive according to definition. You know very well. But if condition are given, then two type of satisfaction you will be find out. First of all, according to according to definition of reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and then second, satisfied the condition which are given in question. मीन्स रेफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांजिटिव तो आपको चेक ही करना है, लेकिन सेकंड स्टेप में आपका ये कंडीशन भी फॉलो होना चाहिए. अगर कंडीशन फॉलो नहीं होगा तो रेफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांजिटिव नहीं होगा, बिकॉज रिलेशन इन कंडीशन. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ A to A belonging in R, A related to A but not satisfied condition of A square plus B square is equal to 1. Okay student, now take example 0 0, it is a real number. 1 1, it is also real number. 2 2, it is also a real number. It is ordered pair of reflexive. Okay, now 0 0 take 0 0, so then condition will be satisfied? Not. At the position of A is 0, at the position of B is 0, not satisfied. And 1 1, at the position of 1, at the position of 1, not satisfied, is equal to 2 but is equal to 1. And same here, 2 2, put at the position of A is 2, at the position of B is 2, 2 2 is 4 plus 4 is equal to what? 8, but condition is 1. So AA not belonging in relation, it is not reflexive. Now symmetric. Dear student, symmetric R is equal to 0 1 1 0 and so on, same as. So 0 1 belonging in R, but please check in condition 0 1 belonging in R, put at the position of A is equal to 0, at the position of B is equal to 1. So these are satisfied. The condition of A square plus B square is equal to 1. Okay student, point 1 0 belonging in R, you know very well, if AB belonging in R then BA belonging in R, hence it is follow symmetric. Okay student, satisfied condition A square plus B square is equal to 1, so it is symmetric. This question is symmetric. Okay, next, transitive relation. If you know very well, in transitive relation, let ABC belonging in R. R means real number. Okay, then AB belonging in relation, BC belonging in relation, and AC also belonging in relation. Now take an example. 0 1 belonging in relation, 1 2 belonging in relation but not satisfied the condition. So beta 1 2 is also not belonging in relation. So 0 2 also not belonging in relation, hence it is not transitive. So in question number 9 it is reflexive but not neither symmetric nor transitive. Okay student, then relation is symmetric but neither reflexive and not transitive, hence proved. Next question number 11. Question number 11. Let T be the set of all triangles drawn in the plane with R as a relation in T given by R is equal to, in curly bracket, T1 T2 such that T1 is congruent T2. Okay student, so that R is an equivalent relation. You know very well, in equivalent relation, if a relation is equivalent, then it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay student, then T, according to question, T be set of all triangles. All triangles. Okay, drawn in a plane. In triangle, how many angle? T1, T2, T3. Okay student, so R is equal to T1, T2 such that T1 is congruent of T2. If it is reflexive, then T1, T1, it means Cartesian product of T cross T. So reflexive T1, T2, T1 is belonging in relation, hence T1 is reflexive. Okay, T1 is reflexive. It means T1 is related to T1 and this T1 is related to this T1. T1, T1 is both are congruent. Okay, student, despite the condition. So it is reflexive and symmetric. T1, T2 belonging in R. For every T1 is congruent of T2. Okay, then T2 related to T1, T2 related to T1, T2 is also congruent to T1. It means both are congruent. So it is symmetric student. Now transitive, T1, T2 belonging in relation, T2, T3 belonging in relation, T1, T2 belonging in relation. It means T1 related to T2, T2 related to T3, then T1 related to T2. So then now see here, T1 related to T2, so T1 is congruent of T2, T2 related to T3, T2 is congruent of T3, then T1 is also congruent of T3, then T1 is also congruent of student T3 according to condition of transitive, hence it is also transitive. So this relation is called equivalent relation because all three conditions are satisfied. Okay student, now next question, question number 13. Start question number 13. Question number 13 student. So that the relation R on the set I, it means integer, of all integers defined by R is equal to, in curly bracket, AB such that A minus B is divisible by 3, AB belonging in R, is an equivalent relation. It means in this question also proof reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay student, to see here, it is reflexive. Question number 13. Relation R on the set I, R is equal to AB such that condition A minus B is divisible by 3, where R is the integer. Okay, reflexive, A belonging in R, A belonging in I. Okay student, it is satisfied the condition of A minus B. because it means if both are equal, then a minus b is equal to what? 0, and 0 is divisible by 3 which are belonging in integer. Okay. Next, symmetric relation. A minus b, sorry, AB belonging in R. Since A related to B, then A minus B is divisible by 3 according to condition. So since A minus B is divisible by 3, then also B minus A is divisible by 3. Okay, student. How can prove it with example? How can prove it? Take at the position of AB 4 and 1. 4 related to 1. So at the position of A is 4 and B is 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to what? 3. 3 is divisible by 3, which are belonging in integer. Now next, 1 minus 3. 1 minus 4, sorry. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 means is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 also divisible by 3 is equal to minus 1, which are belonging in integer. So according to example, it is also symmetric, hence it is symmetric. Okay, student. Now transitive relation. Transitive. AB belonging in R, BC belonging in R, AC belonging in R. You know very well, if AB belonging in R, it means A related to B, then B related to C, then A related to C. You know, intransitive. Okay, student. Next, so check here. A related to B, according to condition, A minus B is divisible by 3. If A minus B is divisible by 3, then if B minus C is divisible by 3, so then also A minus C is divisible by 3, student. Okay, student. Hence it is transitive relation. Since relation are reflexive, symmetric, transitive, then it is equivalent relation. Now next question, student. Question number 15. Question number 15. Give example of relation which are first symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. You have solved in previous questions. You check some reflexive but not symmetric, not transitive, some transitive, not reflexive, not symmetric. All of these are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So you do all type of questions in previous videos and in previous lecture. So in question number 15, give the example of relation symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay, student. Let A be the set of all straight line. A be the set of all straight line drawn in plane. Then R be the relation perpendicular to A. Okay, this is statement. Let A be the set of all straight line drawn in plane. R be the relation perpendicular to A. Then R is reflexive. Not straight line is not perpendicular to itself. No reflexive, because you know very well any straight line which are not perpendicular to itself, which are perpendicular to other line. Okay, student. So then it is not reflexive. So second, symmetric. It is symmetric because AB belonging in R, AB belonging in A, and A related to B. A related to B means A is perpendicular on B. So also can say that B is perpendicular on A in reverse, you know. So A perpendicular to B, then B perpendicular to A, then it is symmetric. Now transitive, student. Not transitive, because if ABC are belonging in A, ABC are belonging in A. Okay, student. A is perpendicular to B, then A is perpendicular to B. B is perpendicular to C. Cannot say A is perpendicular to C. You cannot say A is perpendicular to C. So it is not transitive. So then follow only symmetric relation. So can say that it is symmetric but neither reflexive, not transitive. Now second transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Okay student, transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Relation of natural number. Statement: relation of natural number r is equal to xy such that x is greater than y. This condition, x is greater than y. First, reflexive, no reflexive. Why? Because you know in reflexive x belong in r. It means x is related to x. So you cannot say that x is greater than x. Both are equal. Both are equal. Not satisfied the condition. You see, in question, condition is x is greater than y. So not follow condition. So it is neither reflexive. Second, symmetric. xy belonging in R. It means x is greater than y. Okay, student? X is greater than y. But if x is greater than y, cannot say y is greater than x. So yx is not related to R. Okay, student? So it is not symmetric. Now, third, transitive. If x, y, z belonging in natural number. Okay, student? In set means relation of natural number. Okay, x related to y, it means x is greater than y. Y z, it means y related to z, it means y is greater than z according to condition. So then x is related to z, so can say that also x is greater than z. If x is greater than y and y is greater than z, so then you can say that x is greater than z. So it is transitive. Hence relation will be neither reflexive nor symmetric but transitive. Okay, student? Now, third part. Please see part third. Symmetric and reflexive but not transitive. Symmetric and reflexive but not transitive. Please see here. Example is r is equal to xy such that x and y live within 2 kilometers. It means x and y live within 2 kilometers. Okay, student, distance between x and y is 2 kilometers. Okay, now check reflexive. X belonging in R. X belonging in R. It is reflexive. Okay. How? You can say that it is reflexive because x is 2 kilometers. So same x. So it is reflexive. Now symmetric. X, y belong in R. It means x and y live in 2 kilometers. Then yx is also live in 2 kilometers. So can say that it is also symmetric. Then student, transitive. X, y belonging in R. Y, z belonging in R. Hence x, z belonging in R you know very well. But x and y, please check condition, x and y live in 2 kilometers. Then yz live in 2 kilometers. So hence cannot say that xz live in 2 kilometers, but xz live in 4 kilometers. Xz, please see here, if x, y live from x is 2 kilometers. Okay, and z live from y is 2 kilometers. Then total z live from X is equal to how much? 4 kilometer, student. So XZ live within 4 kilometer. Not satisfied condition. It is not transitive. Okay, student. Now next 4. Symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. R is equal to, example, R is equal to XY such that XY is brother of onset of family people. XY is brother of onset of family people. It means XY is brother onset of family people. In a family, only XY is brother. Okay. Check reflexive. XX not belonging in R. XX is not brother. X is brother. X is brother, but Y is different. So if no any different, so cannot say that these are brother. So X is not belonging in R. So it is not reflexive. Second, symmetric. X, Y belonging in R, it means X related to Y. X belonging in R, according to symmetric, Y related to X. Please check here. X, Y, it means X is brother of Y, so then Y is brother of X also. It is belonging in family. Now check transitive. X, Y belonging in R, it means X is brother of Y. Y is brother of Z, Y, Z belonging in R. Y is brother of Z, then can say that X is brother of Z. You can say that X is brother of Z. So it is also transitive. X, Y, Z belong in family. Okay. Now student, in question number 15, fifth part, reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Now check fifth part, reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Take an example of this question. A, B the set of real number. A, B the set of real number. R is equal to relation less than or equal to on A. Less than or equal to on A means those ordered pair which are less or equal to A. Okay. Now check reflexive. A belonging in A. A is less or equal to A. Yes. A equal to A. Not less or equal to A, but A equal to A. So A related to A, it is reflexive. Second, symmetric relation. It is not symmetric because take an example 1, 2 belonging in A. 1 is less or equal to 2. Not. But 2 is less or equal to 1. Not.